Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for outfits on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on the gals icon down below, which is the fourth option. Then click on the first option, outfit. Now if you scroll down, you can see that the outfits are organized into distinct categories, and there are a bunch of options that you can choose from according to your style and preferences. These are the contests, the city romance category, spicy girl category, basic and classic. You can also see a new winner list, and there are these recommended ones. So if you are interested in any of these categories, click on the relevant one, and then you are going to see many of these set outfits that are created by users. There's also this leaderboard category at the top, including the top winners. And here at the latest section, you are going to see the latest outfits that have been created by users of the application. So if you want to know more about a particular outfit, click on it, and then you will be able to see the items included in this whole outfit down below in the shop this outfit section. Click on the relevant product that you are interested in, and you will be able to see the product itself, its reviews, its price, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.